Hey guys, Bowie here with the 25 Blueprint. Excited to share with you this pointer and some sort of assembled strategies and tips on how to print when you are on the go. So this is a mobile printing strategy to avoid some pain, some frustration, and some embarrassment when you find yourself in those situations where you are on your way somewhere. It could be the simplest situation when perhaps you are on your way to an interview and you forgot to print or bring a hard copy of your resume, and you've already sort of left the documents at home, or left them at the office, or maybe even left them in the Uber that you just got out of. Okay, so either way, this is a solution-oriented video, and I'm just going to walk you through how to use FedEx's Print and Go for your benefit. So FedEx's Print and Go is all about convenience, right? So the convenience of being able to stop into any FedEx in the world and send the document to them. You could actually be right there in the FedEx and email the document to printandgo@fedex.com, and their kiosk will receive that, and then you'll be able to retrieve your document and print it right then and there. And or if you are on your way there, or you're on your way and you're going to be near a FedEx Print and Go, some hotels actually have them in them. I believe that there's a Westin that I've seen here in New York, that has a FedEx office center right in there, where you can actually send the document to yourself there. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to focus in. I'm not going to worry about the scanned version of an original copy being scanned to FedEx Print and Go, or something being faxed to Print and Go, or even using your USB flash drive, which just, in my opinion, is just a little bit risky because the USB can get damaged. You can also lose the USB. So I just want to focus in on this part of it, right? This is the how to use your mobile device and use the cloud for FedEx Print and Go. Okay, so that being said, here's the user case or situation or scenario. You're traveling or you're on the go, and here you are on the phone calling. Might be to confirm whether or not you left that document right at home, or perhaps you reach out to a colleague and you ask, hey, can you go back to my table, my desk, cubicle, and confirm, hey, did I leave this document there, right? Because you need it before that meeting that starts, and you don't have much time. So what do you do then? After you kind of grabbed your head and just shamed yourself, right? Which is one of the things that we tend to do. How could I be so silly? How could I be so stupid? And that's just me being pleasant. We call ourselves all kinds of things for forgetting. You don't have to go there, okay? And here's why. So if you have a Dropbox, right? Or you have a mobile device, should say a Gmail or a Google Drive, you are okay, all right? And I'm going to walk you through why you'll be okay. It's simply because, and we're going to look at, let's see how it works. A live example is simply because you can do 3 things and you're done with this pain point. And here's what they are. I'm going to show you a live example that I've shared on my blog post to walk you through this. Okay, so here's how this works. So in the case of your print on demand journey, in this case, I'm using a document called the 25 Blueprint. Okay, 25 Blueprint is a lifestyle design productivity system that allows you to really optimize those activities in your life that are repetitive, right? Such that you have more of a greater energetic workflow to boost your productivity. So in my case, I'm just using this document, but in your case, you've got your own document that you need to email to yourself. So in my case, if you are someone who's using the 25 Blueprint, you'd go to 25blueprint.com and you download your very own blueprint. Okay, so in your case, you may have your document already downloaded, or maybe you need to go to your own server and download it, or get it, or retrieve it. And then the next thing you want to do is actually email yourself. Okay, or I should say, email printandgo@fedex.com. And after you do that, you're going to get a retrieval code. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so what's going to happen here is you're going to go to and then you're going to attach it. So right here you can attach the file, or you can go to your drive, right? All right, so I'm going to playbook 2019. All right, now careful here. I think I've run into troubles before with trying to do the drive link thing. I'm just going to be on the safe side and go to attachment, click attachment, and then go to 2019 edition in this case. All right, now that it's attached, next thing you want to do is you want to send it. You don't have to type anything in the body, right? Now I'm going to actually show you what the retrieval code looks like. So you end up getting an email that says, congratulations, your document is ready. And here's your retrieval code right here. So when you get to the kiosk, right, and when you arrive at your most convenient FedEx location, you can use any kiosk and enter your retrieval code, right? So what you'll do is also insert your payment card, debit or credit, and then proceed with selecting your print options, and you can print and go. So what does that kiosk look like? Let me give you an example. All right, this is what it looks like. You get there, and what happens is, so that's it. You know, print and go. Like I said, the mobile option is working in the cloud is your best bet. You put your card in and follow the prompts, and you're done. Okay, so that's this in action. So what is there to do at this point? Well, there's of course celebrating to do. Shake hands, close the deal, celebrate, be thankful that we live in a world where this is actually possible, because in the past it would have just been a pain to work through, or just an embarrassing situation to be in where you have to ask the receptionist at the location and say, hey, can you do me a favor and print this out for me because I'm unprepared? Nobody wants that, okay? And so you get to celebrate and dodge another bullet thanks to the miracle of modern technology and cloud networking, right? And what it offers. So what is there to do now at this point? Here's what I'd like you to do. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be some crazy, insane, valuable content being released on this channel. And so subscribe and make sure that you get the current and latest strategies and approaches to mobile productivity, things that allow you to be productive on the run. And most of all, to really start to design a life that is aligned with your pattern of productivity. So you can start your lifestyle design journey and boost productivity by going to 24hourblueprint.com and make sure that you have an opportunity to learn more about the 24-Hour Blueprint. There's a quick survey there that you will take that just allows you to know what your lifestyle score is, so we can know exactly how to support you on your path towards extraordinary, insane, ridiculous, productive lifestyle. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the other side. All right, take care, guys.